As programmers, we always strive for maximum efficiency. One way to do it is to never lift your hands off the keyboard. Today you'll learn everything there is to know about Vim so that you'll never have to use the relic you call a mouse in your life again. You can install Vim using different ways, but since I love VS Code, I'll install it from the marketplace. This gives me all the syntax highlighting and suggestions of VS Code along with the power of Vim. Going back to the editor, you'll notice that my cursor became fat, just like my knowledge, which tells me I'm currently in command mode. I'll use the insert key to enter insert mode and type out my idea for the next billion-dollar startup. Now that our next big thing is all coded up, you'll probably want to save it and exit the project. After spending 3 hours hitting all the keys on your keyboard, all that's left is a hard reset. Just kidding, hit the escape key to enter the command mode back again and type :WQ, which will save the file and quit Vim. So far we've only seen the absolute basics of using Vim, but there is so much more. We've covered the first two most popular modes, which are the insert mode for editing your code and command mode for modifying the file by pressing escape and then V, which will take you into visual mode, which is great for moving stuff around in a file. Visual mode is split into 3 more modes. Press V to enter character mode for highlighting single characters, press Shift V to enter line mode, press Ctrl V to enter block mode, which is similar to multi-cursor mode in VS Code. These modes allow you to select text in different ways, and once you have the text selected, you can use Y to copy the text, P to paste it, D to delete it, or U to undo your changes. Let's talk a bit more about the command mode because that is where the true power of Vim comes in. Whilst in this mode, hit X to delete the character, double D to delete a line, U to undo your changes, Y to copy a character, and P to paste it. Like any good developer, you will need to get some code from Stack Overflow, but you'll realize that your standard P command does not work. To paste stuff in System Clipboard, use the Ctrl+Shift+P command and you'll see a borrowed code in there right away. Or use the :WQ command to save and exit our file, but there are a few other commands that are worth mentioning. If you simply want to exit and ignore all changes, use the :Q bang, which will discard all your changes. :W allows you to save your work without having to exit. Congratulations, you have now become a true wizard who can put 10 years of Linux experience on their resume.